So guys, the first app is Flashify, which is basically an app which allows you to flash your recovery, boot IMG and zip files without going to your recovery. And there's some more features like backup current kernel and backup current recovery. And like as you can see, there are some more features. Let me focus and show you. So it has flash queue, reboot recovery and reboot bootloader settings and some more things that are very useful. And you can even download your file recovery via this app only, and it's a very good app, I would say. So let's move on to another app. So guys, the next app is Root Checker, which is basically an app which check your root status. As you can see, let me tap on check. It says me to allow it, and as you can see, it says access granted, which means my phone is successfully rooted, and it gives you some information about your SU and UID and GID. And you can see in another tab it says build info, which gives you some information about your phone, like specifications and another manufacturing some stuffs. So this is a very good app, and as you all know, we have some more apps which also check our root status, but I think this is the best app amongst them. So it has one more feature which says switch to dark theme, which I like it so much because it looks fantastic, I would say. So let's move on to another app. Guys, the next app is Link2SD, which is a very good app because if you have some less storage, then you can send your system apps into your SD card, which is great, I would say. Like, let me open this backup and restore. Then you can see this Link2SD button, by which if you click this, then all the data of your system apps will send into your SD card. As you can see, in all my system apps, it says Link2SD and remove link. It also removes the link from your library files, and these are some information about your storage, like internal storage, SD card, external SD card, and SD card second partition if you have, and system and cache. So guys, this is a very good app, I would say, because if you have some less storage, then you can even send your apps into your SD card, which is great, I would say. And guys, there are some more features like refresh, redirect, mount script. There's some advanced features like reboot and clean up your double cache, clean up cache like this field. And I would say this is a fantastic app for you if you are a root user. So guys, let's move on. So guys, the next app is Kernel Auditor, which is a very advanced app and allows you to customize your kernel. As you can see, the kernel version, if the Linux kernel and about your kernel is given some function with a frequency table. It shows you the graph of the frequency table on your phone, and if you go to the CPU, then it tells you about how many cores are running and CPU usage. Like this, you can even change this, and CPU maximum frequency and minimum frequency. If you want to change, then you can change this damn thing. So the thermal, if you go to thermal, and it says the thermal, which is enabled by default. If you go to virtual memory, it tells you about virtual memory on your phone, and you can even change this. And if you go to the entropy, it tells you the entropy, which is a very advanced thing. And this controls plugin if you have, and the IO scheduler, like this, the scheduler enable. Let's go to setting and see. Hide apply on root and dark theme. We even have this dark theme which we have earlier in Root Checker. So guys, it's a very good thing that we have this dark theme, and show toasters. You can even make your lockat, last current message, driver message, security, and some more things like that. So guys, now you have recovery, by which if you have TWRP, you can flash up and wipe cache and wipe data by this app only. You don't need to go to your recovery. And it's build prop editor, like this. You can edit your build prop. And guys, this is a very fantastic app, I would say, because if you're an advanced user, then definitely you need it. So guys, the next app is Neutron Music Player, which is actually not a rooted app, but it's a very good app. That's why I wanna share my experience with you guys. So let it open. So if you go here, then you will see the playlist and the music which you have. So the interface is not that much good, as you all can see. So if it goes to settings, then the clock, sleep timer, equalizer, some parametric equalizer settings, and you even have your what do you say, equalizer presets, surround sound. You go here, then you go to see some option which you can customize them. For the tempo, you can even increase decrease the tempo and keys, and you can, as you all know, like this, what do you say, you can even customize your interface. And it goes to settings like here, so you go to see your equalizer, by which you can customize this and enable or disable it if you want or not. And guys, the equalizer is very good, and if you know how to use it, and guys, it balance your sound. Like if you don't have to do anything, it automatically enhance the experience of sound quality, so that's nice. So guys, as my previous app, this is also not a rooted app, but this is a very good app. That's why I want to share my experience with you, because it tells you about some files and folders in your phone, and it also shows you the graph of that information about them. And it's a very good app, I would say, because you will get the idea of your files in your phone. And if you go to settings, then normal options are given, not that much advanced given. And my favorite feature is this biggest file. If you go to the top 10, then in this you will see your top 10 biggest file in your phone, by which you will get the idea which are the biggest file which are grabbing your huge amount of space, and you can delete them by this app only. So guys, this is for now. So guys, the next app is Root Explorer, which is a very good app if you're a root user, because it allows you to change your system files. Like if you go to the root tab and go to the system, and as you can see, all your system files are right there. And if you go to the library, then you can even delete or customize your library files. And if you go to the preference, then you will see this view mode and this theme. Like let me select this indigo theme, then as you can see, it changes this theme into blue and white, which looks really nice. And guys, you can even change your touch sound and all via this app, so that's really nice. So move on. So guys, the next app is Viper for Android FX, which is actually a sound driver which helps you to enhance the experience on your phone, like this phone speaker and headset. If you go to the headset, then you will see some more features. Like if you enable it, then you will see some features like Viper DDC fire equalizer and convolver, which is a very great function, and differential sound, and it has some surround sound feature and fidelity control. Like enable Viper bass, you can select the frequency of this Viper clarity. And if you go to UI settings, then if you don't want to change that much of advanced feature, then you can go to the beginner, and if you are moderate, then you can select moderate. So it's a very good thing, I would say. And the expert, you will see very huge amount of functions and features. So guys, this is for now. I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Google+. Goodbye.